Hello guys, today we're going to show you the location of Embun Lighting and Decoration. Let's go! Embun Lighting is located at ARDENCE City Alam. The most easiest way to locate us is just type Embun Lighting in Waze or Google Map. Don't worry about the parking, there are plenty of free parkings available around our showroom. Let's check out what we have in our showroom. Welcome to Embun Lighting and Decoration. Embun Lighting provide installation service, customized product, expert consultation, and delivery to your place. Here is our clients.